this is this might be yet another heat that ends up being like bracket implications.
We thought it would. This is the one we discussed.
This really is the one I was expecting it.
What's
Pretty good to be playing stuff.
Where shall I go stand?
I think this might be the fourth and final one we'll see.
What drink? Wish I was dead. No. This is just not a good matchup. No, it really isn't. Especially with that attack, I guess we want to hold.
Oh, I was on a good position on
Whoa!
Did we ever have nukes or anything like that?
Yeah.
Could this be it?
I don't think Duck is going to be able to. Definitely not.
It was the EastEnders.
Yeah.
Petunia, need to see some movement. What pancakes? Either is fine.
I'm going to go get a stroke throttle instead.
I've moved the receiver inside.
Petunia, I'm going to start counting you out. 10, 9,
Trying now to get you back in the fight.
Anita,
Now. Oh.
7, 6, 5, 9.
This is just like that beat on the floor. No, you don't.
Go away! He's off coast! Oh, Petunia's driving all along the
Good grab. Don't do that. Don't do that. Try straight back. Straight back. That's all there.
Same as Everall's.
Back. Yeah, I know.
It's all David here. Sorry, you're right.
Oh!
You can thank Jevon for that one.
Reverse better.
You're still attached to me. I got
No, you can't go anywhere.
I'm not
No.
letting you leave, not until you give me the stroke bar.
Okay. Hang on. Look at this.
That camera's still going, that one got it.
Yeah.
This one also
It's coming back. It's coming back. Oh, brilliant.
That was a really fun fucking... God, it's hard. That's a really difficult fucking fight.